Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Revolut's account security features. It's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut account, and you can do that on the mobile app on your mobile device, or you could do that on the official website. Once you're logged into your account, you just want to navigate to the security section. Now once you're there, you can enable two-factor authentication, and you can set up a PIN, or you can have fingerprint login, and you can set up account alerts and notification, and that's going to help to boost your security. And don't forget to review and update your account security settings regularly. That's going to help you to maintain optimal security. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Revolut's account security features. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.